Welcome to our channel, where we're all about helping you improve your mental well-being. In today's video, we'll explore an awesome technique called monk mode and how it can make a real difference for guys struggling with their mental health. We'll break it down in simple terms and give you practical tips to try it out. Let's get started. Monk mode is like taking inspiration from monks to improve your mental health. It's all about creating space for self-reflection, getting to know yourself better, and growing as a person. In today's world, you can adapt monk mode to suit your needs. By trying it out, you'll embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement that can bring you peace and happiness. Having a routine is super important for your mental well-being. In monk mode, you create a schedule for yourself. It includes specific times for sleep, exercise, meditation, work, and fun activities. This structured approach brings stability and purpose to your life, helping you become stronger mentally and personally. It will also make you successful in long term and will make you be consistent with your good habits, like going to the gym and completing your work. Distractions are everywhere in the world and they can mess with your mental health. Monk mode teaches you to be mindful of these distractions, like porn, video games, and wasting your time on social media. It will find ways to minimize them. Set boundaries with technology, reduce screen time, and focus on activities that help you concentrate, like reading, exercise, weightlifting, or pursuing your hobbies. By doing this, you can clear your mind and feel more in control of your emotions. Taking care of yourself is crucial, even when life gets busy. In monk mode, we want you to put yourself first. Make sure you eat well, exercise regularly, get enough rest, and do things you love. Taking breaks for self-reflection and checking in with your emotions is also important. And remember, it's okay to ask for help from a trusted adult or professional if you need it. Prioritizing your well-being will make you feel stronger and happier. It will make your life easier in different ways. Monk mode is a fantastic way for guys to boost their mental health. By creating a routine, minimizing distractions, and putting self-care first, it will help you to reach your goals, like if you want to be jacked or want to run online business or something. All you need to do is just give it a try with your 100%, and you will see the results by yourself. You will start a journey of self-discovery and growth. But always remember, everyone's path is unique, so adapt monk mode to suit your needs and enjoy the positive changes it brings. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so it will be win-win for both of us, and wait for more content on self-care and improving your mental health. Take care, King, and see you in the next one. Bye.